You're searching how to buy shares of Beta Technologies, Inc., a company building electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft and charging systems. Beta trades on NASDAQ under the ticker Beta, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker BODY to find the correct listing. Confirm you select the Beta Technologies, Inc. entry from the results to avoid similar names. On the asset page, review the basic company information in the price chart to understand recent trading activity. Double-check the NASDAQ exchange and ticker Beta to ensure it's the right stock. To place an order, tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same example, the eToro link is provided in the description.